Tesla is the top manufacturer of electric vehicles in the US. Led by billionaire CEO Elon Musk, the automaker upended the industry with the futuristic designs and technology of the Gigafactory, the Model S sedan, the Model X SUV, the mass-market Model 3, and soon, the Model Y compact SUV and the unconventional, Blade Runner-inspired pickup Cybertruck. A rough approximation of output suggests that each new factory could build 250,000 vehicles a year, taking Tesla production to more than 1 million units. That's far from the nearly 8 million vehicles GM made and sold last year, but Tesla isn't spread as thin as GM. It has stayed focused on battery power and dominates a global EV market that's steadily growing. Competitors' electrics simply aren't selling at commensurate levels. How did this happen? Well, while Tesla was crafting a compelling new stock market story, we lost sight of how legitimately obsessed Musk is with manufacturing. But Wednesday's earnings were a reminder. We bring a massive amount of effort into manufacturing engineering, the machine that makes the machine, he said, reviving terminology that he often tossed around a few years back as the Model 3 was ramping up. We're getting way better at making cars. You can see that in Shanghai. You'll see that even more with Berlin. And we're really changing the design of the Model 3 in order to make it more manufacturable. We love manufacturing, he added. It's awesome. And I really think more smart people should be working on manufacturing. That could be interpreted as a complaint about manufacturing experts at other automakers, but what I think Musk really meant was that vehicle production is a complicated undertaking that should attract more talent, especially as automation becomes a bigger factor. The upshot is that, although it's going to cost Tesla a lot of money to grow its capacity in the short term, the company will soon have local manufacturing in both halves of the US, Europe, and China. In the economics of the car business, this should establish the scale the company needs to achieve more consistent profits. More importantly, it should give it the flexibility to sell its cars at lower prices, something Musk remains eager to do. That means more market share and a bigger lead over much larger automakers that, when it comes to the electric future, find themselves in serious catch-up mode. Tesla had planned to bring back about 30% of its factory workers on May 8 as part of its reopening plan after Newsom issued new guidance that would allow manufacturers to resume operations. However, the governor's guidance included a warning that local governments could keep more restrictive rules in place. Alameda County